Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to share a quick monsoon friendly makeup look. The less the better. So we are going to have some natural coverage that lasts long and a whole lot of glow. I'm going to begin by using the Bobbi Brown Skin Concealer Stick in Warm Natural. And I've already prepped my skin with moisturizers, so the base is nice and dewy. So now I'll dot the concealer all over and wherever I have dark spots and acne spots. I'm using a damp beauty blender and I'm also spraying some makeup setting spray so the concealer is locked in and stays longer, as this is what we want because it's still so hot and humid outside. So I'm just gonna blend this all over my face and neck. Now in the monsoon, I like to go in for a natural medium coverage and I don't like to cake myself with too much foundation. So I think this is something that has worked really well for me. And then I'm just going to set everything in with the MAC Studio Fix Compact in NC35. I actually love this compact. I have only just used this on days when I want a very natural finish. It's perfect, it's lightweight, medium coverage, and it really mattifies that area pretty well. So I'm just going to lightly rub this all over. For eyebrows, I'm going to go in with this one by Benefit. It has a spoolie on one side and a precise eyebrow stick on the other side, so you can go in really naturally and fill it up. So this takes a little bit of time because I need to lift up the arch a little bit, otherwise it kind of rounds and falls flat. So I'm going to take in my time and fill in my eyebrows properly. Honestly, I feel no look is complete without doing your eyebrows well, and that can even be for a no makeup look. Your eyebrows should definitely always be looking proper. Going in with a nice pigmented dark kajal on my lower waterline, but I'm using this very lightly right now. After that, I'm going to go in with a really nice brown kajal and apply this really properly on both the lower waterline. I actually love a beautiful combination of brown and black. I do feel the black really opens up the eyes, but I feel on an everyday wear, a brown colored liner looks prettier. I have eyelash extensions done right now, so I'm just using a brush to brush them out. But I am going to go in with some mascara for the lower lashes. I'm going to go in with this really pretty fresh toned pink color of blush for the cheeks. I'm sweeping this right on the apples of my cheeks and then just blending it out into the outer area. But the main portion where you always need to focus the blush is on the apples of your cheeks. So just give yourself a big smile, and wherever you see the lifted area is where you need to focus the blush, and then you can just blend in the blush into the cheekbone area. And this is my favorite lipstick for an everyday wear, and it has been my favorite for a really long time. This is the SMASHBOX Driver's Seat. It is such a pretty color on the lips, and it also goes really well on your cheeks too. What I also like to do with lipsticks is that I dab it so it looks like a stain and it doesn't look too much on your lips. So I just dab, and then whatever little bit I have, I also rub it on my cheeks so all the colors are in sync. I also sometimes use the same color on the lids just when I feel the lids are looking a bit too pale. Just to waken the face up, I just add a little bit on the eyelids as well. I'm actually loving the combo of these two lipsticks right now. So this one is by NYKAA and I like to top it up just so that I can mute down that coral shade a little bit, but I also like it to be seen. But I guess you guys will understand by looking at the shade because the combination of these two lipsticks turns out to look very pretty. I'm using this in the inner corners of my eyes, and this is something I always use to open up my eyes and just brighten the entire look. It's perfect for the day and it's perfect for the night look as well. And I also feel that it just kind of highlights the center of your face also and just makes your eyes look so pretty. And guys, that's about it. This is my go-to look in the monsoon. It adds a lot of freshness and glow to the face, and it also lasts long. I hope you all liked it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and share this with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell for all the updates. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.